Okay, so our patient came in and has got decay on the facial surfaces of the two teeth, the cuspid and the bicuspid. So there's decay here. We've numbed the patient up, and we're going to scoop all this out. You can see it, and we're going to create some perfectly contoured fillings that are going to actually match, but we're just scooping this decay out. We're going to show you how this is done. The first thing you do is you just take out all the decay on both teeth, and it's soft, and this is caused by either food particles and plaque getting onto the tooth and eating into the enamel and creating this decay. But once we remove it, we're going to end up with a great result.